Hey friends, this is Maureen with His Grassy Science. Let's make together this peppermint stick candle. First, we're going to be using a short glass cylinder container and a rubber band. We're also going to be needing 2 packs of these peppermint sticks. I purchased mine at the Dollar Tree. We'll begin by placing the rubber band on the glass cylinder vase, and then we're going to be using some Fix All glue. I purchased mine from the Dollar Tree, or you could also use some E6000 glue. And we're going to be applying it all around the outside of this glass cylinder. And now we're going to be placing each of the peppermint sticks in a vertical position as if they were standing up all around the glass cylinder. And as you could tell, the rubber band is the one that's holding them in place as the glue continues to dry. Now I have the vase upside down just so that all of the peppermint sticks will be aligned to the rim of this cylinder vase. And now, just to go the extra mile, we're going to be just lifting up slightly each of the peppermint sticks and just dropping a little bit of hot glue just to help them to continue to stay in place as the other glue dries. At this point, you could add a clear sealer just to help preserve the peppermint sticks. And now it's time to make it all cutie patootie by adding some finishing touches. I am using this ribbon, as you could see, that is not thick enough, so I am doubling it up as we are going around and gluing it in place. But this is totally optional to what ribbon you want to use or how you want to finish it up. Now the last thing I'm going to be using are some little picks and a little bow on the front. Just to finish it up, you could also add some extra round peppermints, or the possibilities are endless. And now, as a word of caution, please do not add live flame candle into this dish. Don't forget that this is an actual candy ball, so the candy will melt on the outside. So just use an LED light candle. And now, if you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for being here. I so appreciate you. And I want to invite you to check out my social media pages, which are on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, and also on Pinterest. In each of my channels or pages, you will see that I love bringing you very creative, very easy to make, and budget-friendly home decor, handmade, decorative pieces for you to enjoy and get inspired in making and be creative. And always with a touch of elegance. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this project. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and of course, follow. Have a Merry Christmas. Adios.